welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today we're finally unboxing the FCX24. Been excited about this for a little while. It's honestly my first crawler. I'm mostly excited to build a track for it. Got a bunch of rocks and desert to mess around with. But we're gonna give it a test drive stock, and then we're gonna come back and add just some basic mods. We got some wheels and tires, and then we'll see the comparison, see how much the changes make a difference. Battery.
Turns out putting these wheels together was much more time consuming than I realized. There's a lot of tiny little hex screws. There's hard to get your fingers around them and get everything lined up. But after doing a couple, I kind of got it down and moved a little bit faster. But you know, these things feel really nice. They look cool, all blacked out, and they're soft and grippy. So I'm excited to take them for a test drive.
I was honestly pretty impressed by these new wheels and tires. I mean, these soft wheels grip all the rocks so much better, and this thing had an easy time going right over rocks. They were kind of a struggle or impossible for the stock tires. So I'm gonna put a link to where I bought these down in the description below. And just remember that this is not a sponsored video or anything. I'm just reviewing the stuff I bought. So I was also planning on putting some oil in the shocks, but this video is getting kind of long already. The only other modification I did was remove the pins, remove some of the screws to increase the steering travel. Alright everybody, like and subscribe, because next time we're going to be building a crawler course outside for this thing, and I'm really excited to get outside in the heat, move some rocks and some dirt around, find some random debris to build some cool stuff with, and design something that is fun to drive and looks cool using a decade and a half of video game environmental design experience, from working on open world RPGs to racing games. So let's get out there and have some fun, guys.